How to clean the Treif Primus Fusion Slicer. Remove the crumbs. Use a dry brush to gently sweep away any crumbs and debris from inside the chamber and the external surfaces if needed. Crumb catchment tray. Brush crumbs into the small opening on the left side of the chamber. Allow the debris to fall directly into the tray underneath. Wipe if necessary. If required, use a damp cloth to wipe the inside of the chamber and other accessible parts to remove remaining crumbs. Open the machine. Use the supplied key to unlock and open the front panel. Remove the crumb catchment tray and brush any additional debris into it. Then empty the tray into the bin. Close the machine. Once cleaning is complete, close and lock the front panel. The slicer is now ready for the next use.